What is cracking, YouTube family? Before we get straight into this video today, I want to make sure that you guys are kept healthy, strong, and making sure that after those tough, intense workouts that you guys are ready to go again the next day. So go check out my new RA recovery line. It's on my website down below. Use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. You've got the vibrating foam roller, which is absolutely epic, and also the RA recovery gun as well. So we're gonna get straight into this workout, guys. No more messing about with all the promo. Let's do this. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi Yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the epic Fly Defined Jump Rope HIIT workout series with my boy Joey Scott.
What's cracking, my people?
Go check him out, peeps. Cut Defined Fitness. He is my strength and conditioning coach, and we'll make sure that you guys are kept in the best shape of your lives throughout the whole year, right?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely. Right. What are we working on today, bruv?
So we're just going to be doing more core, just mixing it up, but more like mainly core today.
Basically gonna mash me up, innit? He's gonna mash
I know
it
it's
up.
been a bit mad these last few weeks.
Last few weeks have been nuts, guys, and hopefully you've been following along. Comment down below, let us know you are following, and yeah, as always, you're gonna get the expertise of me with the jump rope, and you're gonna get Joey's expertise as well on how to stay trim, right? So no more messing about. We're gonna get those interval timers ready. Gonna roll that intro as always. So let's do this. Right, folks, welcome back. So today we're gonna be using the legacy rope. Again, check out my website to check this rope out. Absolute beast of a rope, 400 grams. We've got more stock coming back this Saturday as well, and more money ropes as well, so check that out. Got my interval timer ready. We're gonna start with a quick 1 minute warm up, and then we're gonna start with the skipping. Right, okay, for warm up, peeps, because we've got the legacy rope today, I just want to start with a quick boxer step. Now, if you don't have a legacy rope at home, go buy one. Otherwise, you can do this with any skipping rope, speed rope, but we're going to make it a little bit more intense today. So, boxer step, what we're going to be doing is transferring that weight left and right, like so. Stay on the balls of your feet. And to make the boxer step look good, guys, is you want to start to sort of move a little bit back and forward. This is what gives it a nice kind of aesthetic, clean look. That Mayweather look. You watch Mayweather skip, man, he never skips on the same spot, you know that? Nah.
Keeps it moving.
Keeps it moving. Keeps that brain thinking. So, rocking back and forward. A few more seconds, that's your 1 minute warm up done. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Nice and easy warm up drill. Wow. You can have a 30-second rest. Today with the legacy rope, I'm going to be keeping it kind of, this rope is tough enough, right? So we're just going to be working on footwork today. The best thing about this rope, works your shoulders, arms, and it's good.
That burnt me already.
And what you want to do is you just want to make sure that your rope is cut down to size, right? Don't make it too long. Obviously, if you're a bit taller, keep it long, but the longer it is, the harder it's going to get to take to go around you. Right, first step, peeps. Joey's doing his laces. We're just going to be doing a high knee, 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Sometimes I forget how crazy this rope sounds. Big deep breaths in. Try and drive that knee up as high as you can. Nice move. Try and focus to stay in the same spot as well on the floor at this point. No need to move around. Helps you engage that core. Right, Joey, you're up. Here we go. Bodyweight exercise, please.
What we're going to be doing is starting on the core, so we're going around, circles around the world. So you do a few one way, then you go a few the other way. Nice long legs. Go back the other way.
Last 3 seconds. Next one.
Then into flutter kicks, just nice and easy. First one, side, nice and easy. Yeah, if you're a beginner, just put your leg out like that. Getting that squeeze at the top. But to keep the intensity on the abs.
10 more seconds. This one's already burning, mate. 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Oh.
Mate, is it normal to feel the burn on your
Yeah.
quads as well on that one?
You feel it?
That one starts to feel tough on the quads. Right, 30-second rest. Fresh start to the week, people. Remember, with this workout, we're doing once a week right now. We want you to try and do this at least 3-4 times a week. Mix it up however you want, but this is the structure that will work for you. Right, we're gonna go into side swings. Simple boxer step with the side swing now. Boom, boom, jump. So you can either go 1, 2, jump through. You want to keep that boxer step moving, right, as you do these side swings. Nice, Jay. So as you're doing the side swings, you're still hopping, but you're still kind of jumping with the same rhythm and technique. When that sound of the rope, you get the feedback from the sound of the rope that it's going at the same speed. 1, 2, open. You want to be jerking it so you're going too quick. So if you've got the legacy rope as well, this one for banging for the shoulders, man. 5 more seconds. Nice, Joe. Now let's go. Body weight.
So mountain climbers into an oblique twist. So 4 mountain climbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2.
What's the next one, bro?
Right, working the obliques. So here, obliques and glutes. So get that stretch. 1. Working these hip flexors. 2. Nice straight leg across. 3.
This is a mad one.
4. Working them hips, glutes,
Change sides.
obliques. So here, getting that leg nice and straight across. Back.
That's nice. I'll do a few more because that feels good for my hips.
Yeah, good.
Oh yeah. Oh mate. That's a good one. That's a new one, bro.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I haven't seen that one. Felt that nice. Ooh, ooh. Third cycle coming up. We're gonna increase the intensity a little bit. Gonna go with one of my favourite.
That's good for tight hips.
Yeah, so good, man.
If you've got hip problems, guys, that's a good movement to loosen up them hip flexors.
Like me, man. We're into a run skip now, yeah? 1 minute run. Straight back. Chest out. Good breathing. So, heels go up, balls on the feet. Nice, Joe. Alright, ramp up the pace a little bit, bro. Bit quicker. Last 2, go strong.
Oh. Shoulders.
Let's change it up. His shoulders are killing these. What's the next one, bro?
So here, we're going to be working our inner thigh. So we're going to be here, one arm up, then we're lifting the leg, but our feet are turned out.
Oh, man. This one's good. Next one. What's the next one? Next one, bro.
Huh?
Next one.
Next one, lower backs. Into a press up. So lower back.
Press up. Oh, yeah. That feels good.
Squeeze. Good.
Oh man. That was solid.
Nice, yeah?
That was good. That's good. Oh man. Right. Hope you're following along. This is raw, people. No cuts, no edits.
Raw.
Raw.
Raw as you like.
I forgot my water. Pissed. Alright, rope in hand. Gonna go boxing step with a cross. But what I want you to do is start with one cross, back to boxing step. Let's go ladder, yeah? 2 crosses. 1, 2, back to boxing step. Now 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solid, bro. 6. 1, 2. 7. Squeeze it in. Last 10 seconds. Nice, bro. Let's go body weight.
So our body weight is, guys. So we do here
Okay.
and a lateral raise.
Yep.
So down, front raise, lateral raise. Front raise, lateral raise. Front, side. Front, side.
What's this, bro?
All right, so wide mountain climbers with a hop.
What the hell?
Here, here. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, man.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is good for the adductor muscles and glutes. Core. So wide mountain kind of working the shoulders, glutes.
Oh, man. Oh, peeps. Last one coming up.
Okay.
Sweating, hurting. That's hard, man. Joey, man. Can't avoid this new stuff. Okay, last one. We're just gonna go side and front straddle, yeah? Let's burn those quads.
Front straddle, side.
So here, 4 of those, 4 of these. 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Oh my days. 20 more seconds. Oh, bro. That's that one done. Let's go. Last minutes.
All right, knee into squat. So here. That's a lot.
Oh man.
If you want something a bit more advanced, guys, go here.
Oh, I love it.
If you want something a bit more advanced,
Oh, next one. What's the next one? Last one.
that guys. So we're going to be working the obliques. So nice and easy to finish. So ankle touches.
Done. Oh, mate. That was sick. Big up.
Cheers. Yes, always a pleasure, guys.
Smashed it, as always, Doug. People, check this guy out. Check his Instagram for more workout inspo. Remember, this Saturday, we're gonna go live 3 p.m. with our new stock of 10-foot legacy ropes, 11-foot icon ropes. And don't forget to get your recovery gear as well to make sure you're ready. Make sure you're ready and fit for tomorrow's workout. So peeps, without further ado, gonna check you in that next video. So take care of yourself. Let's get the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.